Lately, I've been getting into Betamax movies and Betamax, all things Betamax, because I chanced upon a collection of 165 tapes that I got for $20. And I shared that video with you guys. Check this out. It's right here. Click it and add it to your playlist. $20, I got 165 tapes. Then I followed through and I also purchased a Betamax player. And that experience I also shared with you guys, so you can check it out as well, add it to your playlist. So today I will be doing another unboxing, and I will be unboxing this really cool BetaCam. Is it a Beta Camcorder or a BetaCam Camcorder? Well, let's get to it. Now we're going to take a closer look. Oh, look at that. It came with the keys too. Are you kidding me? Alright, let's see. I guess that opens it. Okay, so I guess I have to put this flat. And did I actually lock it? I think I locked it. Okay, now it's open. Ooh, that looks nice. Alright, alright, alright. Oh my gosh, this is actually massive. Look at the size of that. Okay, this is actually the battery charger the battery goes in here. This plugs into the wall, and I guess that plugs into the camera. But that's massive, guys. This is massive. Alright. And what else? What is this for? I have no idea. Oh, something is in here. I think this is the batteries. The batteries. Oh, battery. I think it's only one battery in there. It's actually in reasonably pristine condition, but as you know, with batteries, it's most likely dead or cannot be charged or hold a charge. But it's in pretty pristine condition. And here's a model. So a close-up of the battery. For those of you that are into batteries and that kind of stuff. There's also the box in there as well. So it looks to me like this is actually a newer purchase. If it's a newer purchase, then it means the battery would be in better condition than I thought. And that's also a good sign, because if somebody bought the batteries to go with that, then most likely this works. So this here is the camcorder. Look at that, it's quite beautiful, guys. And just, it feels, I would say it's about maybe like 10 pounds or just about 10 pounds heavy. It's massive, but it's not the biggest camera that I have actually. It's a very big camcorder, okay? It's massive, but it's not the biggest. It's not the biggest camcorder that I have in my collection. It's beautiful though, guys. It's really beautiful. And look at the lens, close up of the lens. Yes, 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 yes. Take a look here. Look at that. This actually articulates in this way. I'm not sure why. Oh, it actually clicks in place. So I guess you can also release it. But that's pretty cool. And that would be the viewfinder right here. It comes with this on cap on it. You look through there. It looks like there's a filter, built-in filter, I think. Or maybe white balance, I'm not sure. There's a power button. And interesting. There's a focus. Auto, manual, push, auto. So that's actually a pro feature right there. And it feels comfortable in the hand. I like it a lot, guys. I like it a lot. So it looks like the battery goes in here somehow. let's take out the cover and see what this actually looks like on the inside. And it actually looks nice, guys. So in a nutshell, this is a beautiful, beautiful device, and I'm going to be spending some time to learn this device. So have a good look at this. If you look carefully, there is the release. This here is actually the battery compartment, and you can see from the top there, what does it say? It says battery and open or close. So right now it's open, it's in the open position. As a matter of fact, it cannot even close, and the reason why it cannot close, even if I try to close, is because, and I'll show you guys, it's actually quite silly. And when I move this switch up here, I should be able to spin this around like this, and it comes into position like that, so you can actually take the battery out. Now the reason why this thing here is not closing is because somebody, the original owner, wherever this came from, jammed a battery into it, put it in the wrong way. It's a simple mistake, but that has caused the battery is basically stuck in there. So if you look carefully, the way you can tell, if you look carefully, see how the battery is shaped, and look at this little shape right there. This part is supposed to be here, right? But this person put it in the wrong way, so the battery is stuck. It won't come out. So what I'm gonna do, most likely, I'm gonna try to put maybe a flat screwdriver in there. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work, but most likely what I'm gonna have to do is take out this screw and these two screws right here, and if I do that, I can be able to like wedge this thing out a bit more, like create a bit more room so the battery can come out. So you know what, that's what I'm actually going to do, because I tried to force it out. It won't come out. It's very much stuck. So I just took that screw out right here, and the moment I did that, look, the battery now comes out. Okay, the rest of it, oh, there we go. There are some grooves in the battery that made it actually get stuck. So this is out now, which is really good. And you can see, good battery. Well, not good as in, I don't know yet, but it looks nice. I hope it works. And now I'm gonna put the screw back in, and I hope that this hopefully fixed whatever issue there is with this thing. I don't know yet. So paying attention to the shape, right? This is how it's supposed to be. So it just bounces a little bit, and now all I have to do is close, and now this actually closes. So it's just a simple solution like that, just loosening this and getting the battery out back in position. So what I've noticed too is that once this falls back in position, it's still loose. You physically have to move this down, and then it holds it in place, and then you can hold this without fear of, you know, dropping your camcorder. So I'm pretty sure the battery's dead, I'm pretty sure, but just humor me. I didn't see. Okay, the battery's dead. Okay, so let's power this up and see if it works. So there's the eject switch right here, so I'm gonna see if this will actually eject. So press it down. Oh, this actually works, guys. Look, it looks nice. And to close, you have to manually close it. Oh, and guess what? I can actually see through the viewfinder as well. Nice. It looks like it's an optical viewfinder. Basically, it's just light coming through directly. It's not, and it's coming through the lenses, the series of lenses in the viewfinder. So it's just like any viewfinder in any normal film camera. It's not an LCD display. It's an optical viewfinder. I actually like that because I think in the newer models they had like CRT monitors in here, which as advanced as it is, it can create a lot of problems. I actually have a camcorder that has that issue and it's disgusting. I actually hate it. But this one here works. It's nice. So thank you for this experience, guys, for sharing this experience with me. And if you did enjoy this short video, please click on the like button, like this video, and please support this channel by subscribing to this channel. Thanks so much, guys. Have a wonderful day.